If CapCut is showing error code 4_1_102, that usually means there's a network handshake failure, which can happen when the app is struggling to connect properly to its servers. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix CapCut Error 4_1_102 step by step, using a few simple troubleshooting methods that can help restore the connection and get you back to editing fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick fix videos just like this. Let's jump right in. The first fix is to clear the CapCut server cache. Start by fully closing CapCut so it is not running in the background. Next, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run box. In the Run window, paste this path, %local app data %, \CapCut /user data \cache. Once the folder opens, select everything inside and delete all the files. This removes old cache data that may be interfering with CapCut's connection. After that, restart your PC so the changes can take effect completely. Once your computer is back on, open CapCut again and check whether the error is gone. If it still appears, the next step is to reset your network connection. To do that, open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can search for Command Prompt in the Start menu. Then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Inside the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can help fix connection problems and handshake issues. If you are using a VPN or proxy, make sure to turn it off as well, especially if you enabled it earlier. Sometimes CapCut can fail to connect properly when a VPN or proxy changes your network route. After flushing DNS and disabling any VPN or proxy, close the command prompt and test CapCut again. If you are still seeing error code 4_1_102, the final fix is to force a fresh login. Open CapCut and sign out of your account completely. Then close the app, reopen it, and log back in using your account credentials. This can refresh your connection token and force CapCut to establish a new session with the server. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear the handshake error and get everything working normally again. If the problem was caused by a temporary login or server sync issue, this step should resolve it. So to quickly recap, first clear the CapCut cache, then flush your DNS and disable any VPN or proxy, and finally, log out and log back in to refresh your connection. These steps are simple, safe, and usually very effective for fixing CapCut Error 4_1_102. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut fixes, editing tips, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.